Mr. Puri, you are presently Petroleum Minister. What we have seen is the transition in the functioning of the Petroleum Ministry. Pre-2014, this was an economic ministry, seen as one of those ministries which are related to finance, economics. Now, post-2014, it has become a public welfare ministry. Also with Ujjwala as the driving principle.
Madam, it's not just Ujjwala. Let me just tell you, it is about a very strong development thing, which is the Prime Minister. The fact that it is economic in core content, 19% of your revenue comes from this sector, 19 or 20% of the revenue comes from this sector. But the public welfare part is the Prime Minister. What is public welfare part is? Let me start by clean cooking medium for our daughters and sisters, etc. 2014 में कितने आपके total cylinder connection थे? I'm talking about LPG. LPG, which comes in a cylinder, madam, is the product of a refinery. Crude oil से refinery करके वो LPG बनती है. कितने total connection थे? 14 crore थे. Today, we are in a situation where the total number of connections have gone up from 14 crores to 33 crores. And Ujjwala, जिसके आपने जिक्र किया, वो 2016 में that scheme started. And today there are 10 crore 30 lakhs Ujjwala connections. But madam, the beauty of Ujjwala is it's primarily 80% of it is in the rural areas. We are one of the few countries in the world where clean cooking gas is available not only in the urban center through LPG but also piped gas. We today have 22,500 kilometers of pipes for LPG delivery, for natural gas delivery. So this public welfare element is very much a part of the PM persona. 80 crore लोगों को दिन में 3 समय का ड्राई राशन देना, उज्ज्वला का सिलेंडर 500 रुपए में देना, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के 4 करोड़ आवास बनाने इन रूरल एंड अर्बन एरियाज, 3 करोड़ और का आपने निर्णय लिया. This is the public welfare. I'm sometimes surprised, I'm a student of history and political science, and we've been brought up, my generation, much before you were born, we were brought up studying the ideological debates with Karl Marx on the left and David Hume on the right. Okay? And then you're saying, what is the system which Marxian economics brings? What is a right-wing system?